What happens if you violate a protective order in Texas? Well, a protective order creates a new criminal charge if you do things like contact a person, visit their house, get within 200 yards of them. So it can turn into a new criminal charge fast. And keep in mind, the person who the protective order is protecting is not going to be able to waive those protections without going to the judge first. So even if they say, hey, come on over, that doesn't actually waive the protective order. And one important thing to do is read your protective order carefully because they are crafted in different ways. Sometimes protective orders just say no harassing or threatening contact. Well, that means that you actually can go visit and talk to the other person, but they have a right to call the police if you threaten them or harass them. So that protective order is not as strong as something that says stay 200 yards away. And then the strongest protective orders say that you can't contact, text, phone, any kind of communication at all with the other person, and sometimes that includes communications through third parties as well. So read your protective order carefully and understand what it truly says because they are crafted differently. Now, if you do violate, courts take this very seriously because you can imagine if you're a judge, the very last thing you want is there to be something in the news where you ignored a protective order and then that person went on to injure or, God forbid, kill another person. That's going to be something that's going to get the judge unelected. So it is something they take very seriously because it is a safety issue. And so if you do violate a protective order, you can expect new criminal charges. And not only that, it's going to be harder to handle the underlying criminal case that got you that protective order in the first place. So in conclusion, take those protective orders seriously. You can ignore them at your own peril. But if you do face new charges or if you're facing assault charges, you can give us a call or visit us at atx.legal for a free consultation.